I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. Today, we're going to talk about voice inflection. Voice inflection determines how your audience hears the message and how they ingest the message. For example, if I say, silence is golden versus silence is golden. Do you see the difference? It's the voice inflection that attaches to an audience's heart and makes your speeches memorable. I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. And remember, build your arsenal, break the barriers, step up and dare to be the challenger, the initiator, and the change agent that you were meant to be. Until next time.